Happy New Year, everyone! We made it. Whether you're a fan of New Year's resolutions or not, the importance of a healthy diet is undeniable. So I thought I would start off January with this pretty winter vegetable cake to get things rolling and lighten our diets up after the festive season full of heavier foods. First, let's cut up some eggplant thinly, salt it on both sides and bake it for around 15 minutes in a preheated oven on 200 degrees Celsius or 400 Fahrenheit. Next, grate beetroot. Squeeze out as much of the juice as you can, but don't throw it out, keep it in a cup. To the beetroot, add fat-free Greek yogurt or low-fat cream cheese. Mix it up well and add cilantro and lemon juice. Stir it up well and set aside. Next, you will need some baked pumpkin. I just bought mine baked like this, but you can just cut it up and bake it yourself in an oven until it is super soft and tender. Scoop it out and mash it up well. Baking it instead of boiling evaporates moisture and just gives more varied taste and texture. To the puree, add nutmeg, which goes amazing with pumpkin. Next, add chopped red bell pepper and green olives, which also complement the sweetness of the pumpkin very well. Set that aside. Next, you will need some eggs, or if you can get your hands on them, quail eggs, just because they look cute. Boil them for about 3 minutes, peel them carefully, and put them in the beet juice and set that aside. Now boil some sweet potato and mash it up. Season it with salt, garlic powder, paprika, and lemon juice. Put it in a piping bag, or alternatively you can use a Ziploc bag. Now for the final layer, you will need to season and cook some scrambled eggs and then finish them off with green onions and hot sauce. Now, to start building the cake, first lay down a layer of eggplant. Fill in the cracks with some more fat-free cream cheese or yogurt. Then sprinkle some raw seeds for a bit of crunch and start layering different fillings. Push down firmly to make sure there are no gaps. Let the cake sit in the fridge for an hour and then take the spring form off. Now the best part, the decorating. It's all up to you. Any toppings you want, any color, any shape. If you don't like any of the layers, you can substitute for something else. For example, a normal potato would be just as tasty as the sweet potato. Or you can use tofu in place of the eggs for a vegan version. use your imagination, there are literally no limits. Thanks for watching. I hope you have a successful and peaceful year. Stay healthy.